Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Merit. We are getting ready to begin with concept number 4. So we're heading into the distributive property. Now, yesterday in Algebra 1, we were introduced to this distributive property. So let's do a quick review. Now, to find the surface area of a rectangle, the formula is length times width. Long ways times wide ways. Okay? So here we have a rectangle. Long ways is 3. So we're going to multiply 3 times wide ways, which is h minus 5. So our math problem looks a little bit like this. Now we're going to distribute, meaning we're going to multiply 3 times h, which is 3h, and we're also going to multiply 3 times negative 5, which equals negative 15. And this is the surface area of that rectangle. Okay? Make sense? For your assignment today, I have 5 math problems on the board. Again, if you need to pause the video to write these down, go ahead and do so. Now, it's not finding the surface area of a rectangle, but it is using the same property, which is the distributive property. So, let's do number 1 together. We have 7 times negative 5 plus m. We're going to start by distributing the 7 to negative 5. What is 7 times negative 5? Negative 35. And what is 7 times positive m? Positive 7m. So that is my answer. Okay? Now I want you to do the same thing for the next 4 questions, for the next 4 math problems, and make sure you mark your arrows on how you distribute. Now, when you hear me say a negative or positive, I want to teach you guys a little bit about something. But first, make sure you have this down. So I'm going to go over very briefly about multiplying positive and negative numbers. Now, make sure you have this in your notes. When you multiply positive and negative numbers, if you have to multiply a number that is positive times another number that is positive, your answer will be positive. Now, if you're multiplying a number that is positive times a number that is negative, your answer will be negative. And if you're multiplying a negative number times another negative number, your answer automatically becomes positive. Okay? Now, same thing. If you have a negative number times a positive number, it will be negative. Okay? If you have any questions on that, please reach out to me. I'm just going over it very briefly for this assignment so you will not risk getting some of the answers wrong. So just keep this in mind. Positive times a positive equals positive. A positive times a negative equals a negative. And a negative times a negative equals a positive. Okay? Now, hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful day.